This video is about using Gorilla LLM uh, and testing it using API what I have defined here. Here I have used Hugging Face APIs where I have mentioned the what is the API name, description, endpoints, and what are all the parameters which can be passed with that API. And this is the main function where we use Gorilla model using Olama, open this API JSON file and pass it to the model so that we could able to generate. These are all the questions which is going to be passed to this model with the API.json. So once this is passed with API.json, the expected output should be like the Gorilla LLM should give us the output to which API we should call with the parameters what should be passed with that API. Those all should be defined in the by the Gorilla LLM, and once we receive that output, we actually hit that API with the request library. Then we will also getting the result from the API. This is what we are going to test. We can start running this file. Once we execute the file in output.log, we will start receiving the response of the model. Each and every step will be recorded in output.log. We can see here what is the question is passed. Show me all the model with a tag of text classification authored by Hugging Face. So the model of text classification who uploaded is Hugging Face should have been uploaded. This is the prompt which is passed to the I think the all the questions have now been executed. If we see here, right, total we have around 3 6 9 12 and 13 questions are here. All the questions are executed and everything is stored over here. So this is the API, I mean this is the prompt which should be passed with the to the Gorilla LLM model, and this is the response from the Gorilla LLM model function, and it will say which API name we should call and what are the parameters. If we extract the API name and search it, then the API is actually /API/models. So this is the endpoint which we need to hit with the parameters. This is the parameters. So once we hit, this is the response what we have received. What is the most downloaded model of image classification? We can see here. We can see that this is the response. This is the API we need to hit API underscore model, and we need to sort downloads, and direction is -1. So once we hit it, we will get the response of that model. So here the important thing over here is the API.json. We must specify its description, the name of the model, what endpoint it should use, what is the method, and what are all the parameters we need to pass over here.